Now let's open it. Yeah, open it. Well, how about look at it when I'm opening it? And then top.
Would you like me to open it for you?
No thanks. How about let's do it together, fans? Ow! I got hook power. See, I got super muscle because I ate broccoli. Broccoli is super healthy, so make sure you eat it because I really love it. If you don't love it, then
Give it to me.
then just eat it. Just shove your face in it. And then if you don't like tacos, then just shove your face if you don't like it.
Smash you!
Shove your face in it if you don't like it.
Gamma Quake!
La 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 la. Look at the background. Look at the background. It has hearts.
Where?
See? Heart there.
Awesome. Amazing.
This is the girl that is. This is the girl we're gonna take care of when my video is over. Let's get her. Tug war. Tug war. I won. Tug of war. I won. Tug of war.
Oh, no, it's all good.
No, it's okay.
Oh,
Oh!
there you go.
This is my favorite doll ever, but you can't put her in the water.
And look, she comes with a sleeping bag, and house shoes, and a teddy bear, and a brush, toothpaste, and a toothbrush.
Do you mind if I tap this?
No, go ahead, take it off. It's yours.
Oh, my dolly just fell.
Here. There goes the comb.
Okay, here goes the comb. I'm gonna try my best to get out. Ow, I need someone to help me. Daddy, could you help me?
Let me see it again.
I got the toothpaste out.
Here.
Now,
We're gonna have to get a knife in the house to cut it off, or some scissors.
and I think this is the easiest. The toothpaste. You see, I told you
Never
the
mind.
toothpaste is easy.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now I'm just gonna make sure her hair looks all good. Could you help me up in all of these
Yeah, absolutely.
when I be done combing her ponytails? Look, she comes with real eyelashes. They're so soft. Oh, this looks like American doll, but it's not. And it comes with a shirt. But let me check if we could take off. We could take off. See this line? See the white? This is where you just want to put it on or off. Now, are you gonna open it or what?
Alright, it's open. Got your sleeping bag.
Thank you. Oh
Here.
no, her toothbrush.
It's okay.
Wait, let me get first things. Thanks. That's all the time we had for today. And make sure you have a wonderful day. And I forgot to tell you something. Just make sure you subscribe in 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done.
That's seconds.
So that's all the time we have for today. And make sure you smash that like button like this. And I'm going to give you a surprise when I be done talking to you about we're going to be done. But first, let me open this off. Could you help me take this off? These things off. Thank you. Now the other one. Oh, you already got it. So, bye!